Hi everyone, it's Yamchon Food. This time, I'm gonna make Tonpeiyaki. Tonpeiyaki is a type of teppanyaki that is similar to Okonomiyaki. It seems that the method of making and the ingredients differ depending on the region, but I'm gonna tell you the taste I've been eating since I was a child. Alright, let's get started. Ingredients. First of all, turn on the electric griddle over medium-high heat and greasing up the plate. Saute some slices of pork belly a little. Pour 1 scoop of butter onto the griddle and use the back of scoop and spread the butter to oval shape thinly. Sprinkle with fish powder such as bonito. Add some bits of fried tempura butter on top of it. Add some green onion on top of it. Place the slices of pork belly on top of it. When the bottom turns brown, add a bit of mixture on the meat and flip it over. Cook for a further couple of minutes until it's cooked through. In the end, break the egg directly on the griddle, spread it thinly, and stack the other one on it. Mix the same amount of mayonnaise, ketchup, and okonomiyaki sauce and spread the sauce over it. Sprinkle our nori and dried bonito flakes if you like. Tonpeiyaki is ready. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.